ke khona njalo imali yama-top hubs according to isivumelwano council ayisiye ukuzongu-government ngalo kumethi ivele kubudget kagovernment.
Okay, ngicela kathi ungayizwathana ngicela ukuza mama ukuthi icala lithe sesilenzile yiphi ngase lisibize lizetherapy ngihamba nge-right to lokuze ngithishiye thani icala lethu thina esesilenzile kakhulu esesingaze sibize lizetherapy ngelani lisitshele khona lapho ukuthi silitshontshela imali ubisenzeni mani ngicela ukuza ukuthi lisibizeleni izetherapy sihamba ngobuhlungu sidabukile mama but yabhizi khona ngithini ama-policy azosipopha.
But and you remember, then I raised up with this issue, Masari. Who took a sharp? All these people, they're fighting for my rights. Masari is so. But when we are the superior, you understand? Mama, these people are Masari. Come on, we keep more than 10,000 US dollars. But today there's no savings, there's nothing. Eko fair, Masari. You might just keep playing too much. Is it fair what you're doing? Serious, Masari. Eko fair.
The world is watching you. Shit. Ora mama, it's got nothing to do with the pitching mama law. Show mama law. Boss, that was what we're telling you. No, I'm asking simple.
Tentiana land.
Ukambuza peloti mnamkanda. Ani ngezi stories za mfuluwa zitu wa wewe chele. I don't understand wewe chele. Chele abantu bale lokuzina. Ah. Namfuna ukuthi sibone ukuthi and wewe chele ukuthi. Balanda ama-stand up aba bademonstrate.
Authorized ngubani baba?
Ubani?
When are you part of them?
No, mina journalist I'm covering this. How? Ungathi authorized ngubani? Abantu balande way to cover. No, the wealth is like ngibenzeni office.
Nawe futhi
all right sambili mana
wakushutayo lokhu ngushutayo
Thatha into leyo.
hayi 40 ifoni yami not allowed mana kunika idea mana kunika idea